My name is Michael Hall. I'm a family medicine physician at the Bowling Green Medical Clinic. So I went to undergraduate at Georgetown University in DC, and again, medical school at the University of Kentucky. We're a family physician group that addresses a wide variety of medical conditions from childhood through adulthood. My approach to patient care is very patient-centered. I found that if people trust you, if they care about you, and they see that you care about them, there tends to be a lot more success with helping them. I really believe in having a personal connection, getting to know my patients, and really people, and getting to know them so that when they come see me, they know they're seeing someone they trust, someone who will do all they can to really care for them, give them the best care that they can have. I believe this does go a long way in getting people better and helping them. Thank you so much for allowing us to be part of your care, and this is something that isn't to be taken lightly. The fact that you entrust your health in us is a great privilege, so thank you for everything that you do for us.